Alright, so I'm sure this looks really weird right now, but it's nighttime, you know, if that's not obvious. This will be the first time this bus has ever been plugged into power, because we don't have a electrical hookup wired up to the pole at the house yet. So right now we've got these push button lights in here. You see Henry's got one in his bed, and we're still not ready. We're still not 100%, you know, in here yet. I thought you were supposed to be in bed.
Yeah, you need to get in bed.
Are you helping Daddy?
Yeah.
All right.
No.
Oh, I heard the generator go. Let's see if it works.
Are you ready?
I'm ready. Aha! Let there be light. Turn this headlamp off.
Is that one working there? Yeah!
Nice.
Uh-oh.
Nice. Well, we've got some more lights in here. We got this one here on the glow switch. Oh, it's a science lab.
That one doesn't work right. I don't know. That one's going.
What else do we got?
Oh, we don't have these up here yet, hooked up yet. Those are nice.
Okay, so this is really exciting. We got power in the school bus. We're setting up here on top of this little hill, and it's nighttime, so we're actually getting ready to go to bed. I want to take a shower first, so that's why we've got the generator running.
Good night.
We'll see you guys in the morning.
Eat with your mouth closed, okay? Are you eating your apples with a fork? Mm-hmm. You're silly. I usually cook 2 eggs at a time in this pan, but the bus is on level, and so now I can only cook 1 egg at a time.
Do you know what a butterfinger is?
A butterfinger?
Yeah.
What's a butterfinger?
It when you have butter on your finger.
That is silly.
Teeth. Is your teeth brushed?
Oh.
Yeah, I had just noticed it. I looked down at my hand and I was like, hey, I have a splinter.
Does it hurt now? Did it hurt a little bit when I was pulling it out?
Yeah, just when you were breaking the skin, but it doesn't hurt now. Tracy left his truck in town, so Henry and I are going to take him to work. And while we are in town, we are going to pick up some groceries.
Can you teach me how to whistle, Daddy?
Can I teach you how to whistle?
Mm-hmm.
Look at here. Watch. You put your lips together like this. And you look here. You put your lips together and you whistle. And you go. Like that.
Eli gave this to me.
Eli did.
Mm-hmm. My friend.
Your friend Eli?
My house on the hill.
Oh, yeah.
Shut.
Time to let the chickens out. I'm sure they are ready to get out. The sun is shining. It's a beautiful day. Hopefully it doesn't get too hot.
So you guys see in the last few videos that we're overlooking a lake on top of this hill. Well, we came down to my grandpa's lake here. We wanted to show you guys around just a little bit, and It's a really cool evening. Henry just had his first t-ball game tonight. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
It was a lot of fun. He did good. I'm proud of you, buddy.
Thanks.
Yeah, so this lake, my grandpa and my dad and my uncle, they built this lake. We just wanted to give you guys a little tour. You think we should show them the lake? All right, here we go. Hey guys, thanks a lot for watching. We really hope you enjoyed the beautiful view of the lake that we get to overlook. And we really hope that you're enjoying this bus off-grid full-time RV bus experience that we're trying for a week. And if you got any comments or questions, please leave them below. Hit that thumbs up and subscribe. Thumbs up. We'll see you guys on the next video.